Hello guys, welcome to Himmel 356 quick Photoshop tutorial. Today I will show you how you can save your mask for later use. So let's open our layer. Let's select something, color range. Okay, this is our selection. Let's create a mask. So this is our mask. Now how can we save it? Just Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So this is our mask. Let's hide the layer, first layer. You can invert the picture with Ctrl I. You can save it both way, this way or this way. Now if you want to save it as transparent PNG, just go to select, then color range, then select the white area or the area you want to delete. So I am selecting the white area. Then move the fuzziness to 200, press on OK, press on delete. Now it's transparent, this area is transparent. Now just go here, save as PNG format. Okay, let's see, open our file. So this is our new file, as you can see. Now as you can see, now you can use it anywhere you want. So thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, just leave it into comment section. Thank you.